In this chapter, we're going to learn how to write server-side Java applications, sometimes called servlets. And to do that, we first need to download and install a Java-aware web server. So the one we're going to prefer is Apache Tomcat, or just Tomcat. So in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to download it and install it for Windows, and then the next lesson we'll see how to do it for the Macintosh. So I've navigated over to the Tomcat page. First thing I did was went ahead and chose Tomcat 7.0, the most recent version. So that takes us to this screen. So to download Tomcat, you need to select 7.029 or whatever the most recent version is. By the time you view this, the version number probably will be different, but it should be in the same place. For Windows, we're going to do the 32-bit Windows zip file, so click that. Select OK right here to open with WinZip. We'll do an extraction. You can place it anywhere you want to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create my own subdirectory, Tomcat, and extract to Tomcat. Now, what we're looking for is the jar file. And the jar file should be in the lib directory. There it is right there. The next step is to tell your system where to find the application. So what we need to do is you need to remember, and you might want to even write it down, the directory is going to be c:\tomcat /Apache-Tomcat -7.0.29 /lib/servlet-api.jar. You're going to see me write that in just a moment, so don't worry about it if you didn't get it on this attempt. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to close these windows. I'm going to go to my Start menu, go to my Control Panel. Let me bring this into view here. Scroll to my System icon. Go to Advanced System Settings. Bring this into view. Environment Variables. Select Class Path. Hit Edit. And let's add that path to our class path. So it's Tomcat. Apache-Tomcat -7.0.29 /lib/servlet-api.jar. And click OK. Click OK. Click OK. You can close. And that's all we have to do. Now, before you can actually run a Java servlet app, you'll need to reboot your computer to make sure the class path has been properly changed. But that's the only thing you'll have to do to be able to run Java servlets. So I'm going to go to the next lesson where we're going to talk about installing Tomcat on a Mac. If you don't have a Mac, you can skip that lesson and move to the next lesson where I'm going to show you a very simple Java servlet.